really good. Out here in LaGrange, well, we got our quad guy going up here. But we're trying the 6-inch lift right here. This guy's got some Bilstein 6-inch lift here, rough country on the O2 Avalanche. See how these, and these tires, these two, oh man, the tires are beautiful, man. Oh, Jesus. Never mind. Oh, shit, he's getting crazy. Alright, then. Mine did it too. Got the O2 Avalanche right here. See how it's taking it. Got the Bilstein 6-inch lift. First time out here. First time trying them out. Looking good. Look at all that clearance. Ooh, see, he's barely touching right there, Marsh. Yeah, he didn't touch, but look at, I would have never did that. Look down. See, I would have bottomed down. Oh, see, I know what I'm talking about. I know the height of my truck. No problemo. A little scary being up that high, I think, but he's doing it like nothing. Man, that Tundra just does it with no freaking problemo. Stock as hell. Here we go. All sideways. Man, that looks tight. Okay, now you can go wherever you want. Damn, this thing's doing. You're good, man. Those tires are overkill for this spot. Weeding. Look at all that new suspension in there. Hell yeah. Yeah, Marco, thumbs up, bruh. Thumbs up, baby. Never mind. Here we go, the O2. See, he can go on either side. Did you see this big old step right here? That's why I said go that way. Don't matter for him. Fully loaded 4x. Ooh, he's not even spinning out either. Oh man, this thing's running great. Look at that. Damn, this didn't even spin out either. Beautiful. Look at this. Heck yeah. No problemo. No. Look at that. All right. You almost rolled my ankle. No, that way. Yeah, don't try to get out the easy. Try to do it easy. What's going on? Oh, look at that. That is clean. Don't try to take the easy way out. Yeah. What? That's a meal. Now we got the O2 Avalanche. All Out Adventures goes all out, man. This is just some little stuff. We're just testing today. Testing this lift he's got. 6-inch rough country. Bilstein shocks. Got them tires, man. Jeez.
All Out Adventures. Marco going downhill. thing.
How did you say you zoomed?
The top, that little.
The green?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
Six-inch lift. Rough country, no problem. Good old clearance. Yeah, but I was wondering if I could go up on this one. I'll show you.
Marshall with Tundra. Well, we could get Mark over here. How do you feel?
I'm alive. I lived a life.
See what your badass truck.
Lived a life. Hey, come get this one.
Where's it? Oh shit. Look at that. Orderly, that's how we do it here. This is how we do it. Hey, what's this called? All Out Adventures? All Out Adventures.
The world is calling. The world is calling.
There you go.
Touchscreen? The touchscreen? Shit's clean. Tires are mean, boy.